Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a tomato onion chutney for idli and dosa or even for the plain rice at your home. So for this recipe what you need, take a non-stick pan. Here I'm going to add some oil. So here I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil little becomes hot, we have to add the urud dal. So here I am adding the urud dal. So I added this small bowl of urud dal, that is 3 to 4 tablespoons of urud dal, and we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown. And along with the urud dal, I am adding uh, 2 red chilies. This is very spicy, guys. That's why I added 2 red chilies. If you want more spice, you can add more red chilies. And I'm going to fry these things. So the urud dal is started already becoming light brown in color. It's time to add this chopped onion. Here I took 2 onions. Instead of this onion, you can add the small shallot also. That is the sambar onion. Nice aroma, guys, after adding this onion. So we have to fry until the onion becomes light brown in color. So in this itself, I am going to add some hing powder. It gives a nice flavor in all the chutneys. So my onion is started becoming light brown in color. I added 2 extra Kashmiri chilies, guys. It gives a nice color in this chutney. So yeah, so can you see? And I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. So here I'm adding only 1 tomato because we are making the onion chutney. And so I added 2 onions and 1 tomato. And going to adding some salt as per this. So I am going to add a small piece of tamarind. So in all the chutneys, I usually add this tamarind because it gives a tangy taste in all the chutneys. It's time to switch off the flame. So when it becomes cool down, I will grind it in the blender. For the tempering, I added some oil in the kadai, and here I am adding some mustard seeds, some urud dal. So I added some urud dal and some hing powder. If you have a curry leaves, you can add the curry leaves also. And I'm going to put this one. So we have to wait until the urud dal becomes light brown. And I'm going to pour this one into this chutney, guys. So can you see my chutney is ready. So this is a quick video of how to make onion chutney, or we can say onion tokku at your home for idli and dosa or for the plain rice. See you soon in another cooking video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.